The convening of these dialogue by the United Nations World Intellectual Property Organization in Nigeria is centered on the need to promote more awareness on the benefit of protecting the ingenuity of innovators and creatives in the country. The event is bringing together government officials, legal professionals, development partners, creatives, entrepreneurs, and other stakeholders to discuss the future of intellectual property and development in Nigeria.
We know that without IP, we cannot really hit that full potential. For us, IP is foundational. There is nothing that we can do to really open the full potential without putting IP in place.
Nigeria has 4 main laws that protect intellectual property. The first is copyright, secondly, trademark registration, thirdly, patent law, and lastly, industrial design law. Former Vice President Yemi Osinbajo delivered the keynote address on intellectual property as a tool for economic development, calling for the need to harmonize and establish policies that strengthen intellectual property laws in the country.
Protection of intellectual property incentivizes innovation and creativity and leads to economic development. There's no question at all that if we're able to protect our intellectual property and enable those who own these intellectual properties to market, to make maximum benefit from them, then obviously it will enable to economic development for us. But much remains to be done. Enforcement is still very weak. There's limited capacity to track infringements, and then registrations, especially of trademarks, still takes very long time.
Professor Osinbajo, who is a professor of law, also advocates the need to enforce the policing of content on streaming platforms.
We have to do much more in terms of policing streaming platforms.
The protection of intellectual property in Nigeria has now been re-echoed here today. However, the implementation of frameworks that promote ingenuity of creatives is vital to drive the needed change. Kumbi Aboluade, Channels Television News.